Hey everyone, so if you've been trying to keep up with AI news lately, your head is probably spinning, right? It feels like every single day there's a new model, a new tool, a new feature that just blows your mind. It is a lot to track. But don't worry, we're going to sort through all that noise together.
So, first up, bam, Perplexity announces something called Comet, and they're calling it an agentic AI browser. Now that word, agentic, you're going to want to remember that one. It's the key to pretty much everything else that's going on.
Then, of course, Google can't be left out. They dropped Veo 3.1, which is a really powerful new player in the whole text-to-video game, and it's aimed squarely at OpenAI's Sora. The competition is getting fierce.
And just to round out the chaos, Anthropic comes out with Claude Sonnet 4.5. This one is specifically built for really complex coding and, get this, long-term reasoning. It is an absolute frenzy of innovation out there.
Okay, so it's really easy to get lost in all these individual headlines, right? But if you take a step back and kind of squint a little, you can see a really clear pattern emerging from all this chaos. These are not just random product updates. They're all pointing in the exact same direction. They're pointing towards a huge, fundamental shift in what we can expect AI to do. So the first major trend we got to talk about is this shift away from just conversational AI, the chatbots we've all been playing with, to something way more powerful, these autonomous, action-oriented AI agents. So, what in the world is agentic AI? Well, think about it like this. Instead of just answering your question, an agentic AI can take a really complex goal you give it, figure out all the little steps needed to get it done, pick the right digital tools for each one of those steps, and then, this is the important part, it actually goes and does it from start to finish without you having to hold its hand.
And this isn't just some theory, right? You can see this trend playing out across the entire industry. Perplexity's Comet, it's not just a search engine anymore, it's a browser that actually does things for you. Google's Gemini Enterprise is built to automate massive corporate workflows. xAI's Grok is getting tools to pull data straight from your Slack, Notion, even your Gmail. And for all you developers, Cursor's Plan Mode can scan an entire codebase and draft a whole plan. They are all building AIs that act.
So how does this magic actually work? It's really a simple kind of three-step dance. First, you give it a goal. Something big like, hey, research the top 3 competitors for my new app and then draft an email summarizing all their strengths. Second, the agent creates a plan. It thinks, okay, I need to search the web, I need to analyze the results, then I need to open up an email client. Finally, and this is the leap, it executes that plan. It does every single one of those things. We're moving from simple Q&A to true digital assistance.
And this leads us right into the second huge trend. As AI gets better at doing things, it's quickly going from being this fun novelty to an absolutely essential tool for professionals. I'm talking creators, developers, you name it.
Just take the creative space, for example. For a little while now, OpenAI's Sora has been the one to beat for high-quality text-to-video stuff. But now, here comes Google jumping in with Veo 3.1. We're talking 8-second, 720p clips, better audio, and crucially, it's being integrated directly into professional tools people already use, like Google Vids. This isn't just a cool tech demo anymore, it's being woven right into our daily workflows.
And nowhere is this integration more intense than in the world of software development. I mean, the race is on to build the ultimate AI copilot for coders.
I mean, just look at this arsenal of tools. Anthropic is putting out Claude Code plugins that work with agents and slash commands right in your terminal. Google's creating Gemini extensions to link your command line to outside tools. Cursor, as we saw, can plan out entire projects. This is so far beyond just asking an AI to write one little function. We are talking about creating a whole new AI-native environment for building software.
So, all of this brings us to the biggest question of all, right? We have agents that can do stuff for us. We have pro-level tools getting integrated everywhere. So, why is all of this happening right now at this absolutely incredible speed?
The answer is that we are smack in the middle of the new AI platform wars. See, the ultimate prize isn't just about having the smartest model anymore. It's about building the dominant ecosystem. It's about weaving your AI so deep into the tools people already use, like Grok connecting to your Slack and Notion, that the idea of switching just becomes unthinkable. It's about providing the best platform, like Anthropic's APIs or Google's Vertex AI, so that other developers build their products on top of your tech. The end goal here is to become the one central AI platform where all the important work gets done.
So, after all that, what's the big picture? What does this whole shift from a simple little chatbot to a seriously powerful copilot really mean for us? It's this simple, really.
AI is graduating. It's moving beyond just being a clever search engine or a fun conversational partner that just spits out information. It's becoming an active participant in our work and lives, a true co-pilot that can take on complex tasks, manage workflows, and actually execute on our goals. It's no longer just a source of answers. It's becoming a partner for action.
And that leaves us with one final, pretty exciting question to think about. We are moving so fast towards a future where your AI assistant can do almost any digital task you could possibly imagine. So, when that day comes, what are you going to ask you to do first?